Hi, I'm Johanna and today I show you how I create a digital art piece. After making this sketch with wax pastel in my sketchbook, I decided to make a more detailed piece in Procreate. I gathered all of the artworks which inspire me in their details and could be useful for this drawing. My mood boards usually contain my chosen color palette, maybe reference portraits, and the style I want to achieve with the piece. After drawing every day for Inktober, my soul was craving a bigger piece, something that wasn't based on a prompt, but instead came from my own intuition. And this illustration gave me exactly that, the kind of creative freedom I'd been looking for. So I show you my process with all its ups and downs, and I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. At this point, I decided not to use the full initial composition, but just a girl with the wings. When I started the wax pastel sketch, I had no clear vision of what to draw, but after sketching a couple of leaves, the figure of the girl slowly came to my mind. So I'd say, don't worry if you don't know exactly what to draw at first. Sometimes just starting with shapes and bubbles can spark ideas, and eventually a composition will come to you. This is why I love drawing digitally. It's easy to get rid of those awkward initial stages. After the rough sketch, which establishes the final composition, I create a more detailed sketch. We can call it outlines too. With her body, I try to remind myself that the anatomy doesn't have to look perfect. This is hard for me to give more credit to the creative expression than the right proportions. This is something I want to work on more with my illustration. Starting the coloring phase is both exciting and challenging for me, even though I have my well-prepared color palette. In digital drawing, the ability to easily adjust colors with hue, saturation, and brightness settings makes choosing colors so much more flexible and comfortable. This is how I organize my layers. All the colors I want to adjust simultaneously goes to one layer. For her surroundings, I follow a similar structure. First the sketch, which here are outlines, and then the coloring. This order can vary with different art pieces, especially in traditional drawing. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe it gave you some new perspective. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next. Bye!